Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be covering W1209 thermostat module, which is generally available online and it's a cheap thermostat module. I'll be covering my presentation into subheads. That is, first is introduction, then availability and cost of the module, module main parts and description, circuit diagram, working knowledge, specifications, programming various parameters, and in the last, applications. Now the introduction. W1209 mini thermostat temperature controller is low cost 12 volt temperature controller with 7 segment display and 3 switch keypad for setting temperature and other parameters. The module features an NTC thermistor temperature sensing and has an accuracy of 0.1 degrees centigrade. XH W1209 digital temperature control module with display and NTC waterproof temperature sensor. Although this module has embedded microcontroller, no programming knowledge is required. A W1209 thermostat module has a temperature sensor, keys, LED, display, a relay, and requires DC 12 volt supply to operate. It is an affordable, good quality thermostat controller. Thermostat are generally devices that sense the temperature of a system so that the temperature is maintained at a desired set point or near to it. NTC temperature sensor allows the module to intelligently control varied electrical devices based on the temperature. NTC temperature sensor has a negative temperature coefficient. That's why it is called NTC, negative temperature coefficient, which means the resistance decreases with increasing temperature. W1209 has an inbuilt embedded microcontroller, thus no much programming knowledge is needed. The module consists of 3 switches to configure the various parameters, including on and off trigger temperatures. The relay can be operated with a voltage up to a maximum of 240 volt AC at 5 ampere or 14 volt DC at 10 ampere to power on. The temperature is displayed in degrees centigrades, and with the help of 7 segment display and the relay, the state is displayed with the help of LED present on W1209 module. Now, before proceeding further, let's understand what is NTC temperature thermistor temperature sensor, which is one of the most important component of a module. Now, NTC stands for negative temperature coefficient. Now, there are negative and positive temperature coefficient based thermistors. Now, NTC thermistors are resistors which with a negative temperature coefficient, which means that the resistance decreases with increasing temperature. They are primarily used as resistive temperature sensors and current limiting devices. The temperature sensitivity coefficient is about 5 times greater than that of silicon temperature sensor and about 10 times greater than that of resistance temperature detectors, that is RTDs. NTC sensors are typically used in a range of -55 to 200 degrees centigrade. Now, characteristic of NTC thermistor. Unlike resistance temperature detectors, which are made from metals, NTC thermistors are generally made of ceramic or polymers. Different materials used in the manufacture of NTC thermistors result in different temperature response as well as other different performance characteristics. Now, temperature response in most NTC thermistors are typically suitable for use within a temperature range between -55 to 200 degrees centigrade, where they give their most precise readings. There are special families of NTC thermistors that can be used as a temperatures approaching absolute zero, that is -273 degrees centigrade, as well as those specially designed for use above 150 degrees centigrade. The temperature sensitivity of NTC sensor is expressed as percentage change per degree centigrade or percentage change per degree Kelvin. Depending on the materials used and specifics of the production process, the typical values of the temperature sensitivities range from -3% to -6% per degree centigrade. As can be seen from the picture, the NTC thermistors have a much steeper resistance temperature slope compared to platinum alloy resistance temperature detectors, which translate to better temperature sensitivity. Even so, RTDs remain the most accurate sensors, with their accuracy being ±0.5% of the measured temperature, and they are used in temperature range between -200 degrees centigrade and 800 degrees centigrade, as a much wider range than that of NTC temperature sensor. A non-linearity of relationship between resistance and temperature exhibited by NTC sensors posed a great challenge when using analog circuit to accurately measure temperature. However, a rapid development of digital circuits using microprocessors solved that problem through enabling computation of precise values by interpolating lookup tables or by solving equations which approximate a typical NTC curve. Now coming to availability of W1209 module and its cost. W1209 temperature control module is available online on various websites, that is Amazon.in, Flipkart.com, Robo.in, Electroniccompo.com, ThinkRobotics.com, FactoryForward.com, MakersBazaar.in, etc. And they are also available in local electronic hobby stores, electronic shops. The cost of the sensor module is 145 to generally 670 rupees, which may include additional accessories like casing or fan, stroke bulb, etc. Otherwise, without any additional accessories, it is generally from 145 rupees to around 200 rupees cost online. Now I had ordered the module and received package that is shown here in the photograph. It was decently packed with bubble paper and electrostatic discharge packing. The ESD is vital to safe transportation and storage of most electronic products. It is specially designed to keep static electricity at bay and thus ensure the integrity of products contained within the stack, that is especially microprocessors, because the memory is very volatile and static electricity can destroy them. Now W1209 digital temperature control module. The pack consists of W1209 temperature controller module, NTC waterproof temperature sensor with conductor, which is shown adjacent to this slide. Now application. The applications are measure and display of temperature, and to turn any application on stroke off based on temperature readings, both AC and DC based. Now examples of utilization of this temperature modules are a fire alarm circuit based on a temperature and auto cut-off electric water heater. Now module main parts are as shown in this picture, which are programming port, microprocessor, a relay contacts, these are 2 in number, then DC connection positive and negative, these are another 2. Now programming push button, that is set, then increase push button, that is written plus, decrease push button, minus is written on top, 5 volt stabilizer IC, that is voltage regulator IC, 5 volt. Then there are connector for connecting NTC thermistor module, and then a relay on stroke off, that is status indicator LED, and in the end display, 7 segment 3-digit display. Now dimensions. Now this continuing further, in the picture we can see the components on the PCB. In addition, the PCB has 4-wire programming port in case you feel the need to reprogram the microcontroller yourself. The module can be purely software converted into a temperature logger. However, in some cases the original programming of the microprocessor has to be deleted. So before you do it, be careful. Now coming to the dimensions. The dimensions of this module board are 49 mm by 40 mm, and it has got 4 holes on the corner for fitment, and from the central holes to other center, the dimensions are 32 mm and 41 mm. Now circuit diagram is as shown. This is the circuit block diagram which is shown here. Now working of the temperature module as follows. The figure shows the complete wiring diagram of thermostat. The heart of the circuit is an 8-bit microcontroller STM8S003F3 Papa 6. This controller has an 8 kilobyte flash memory on board, more than enough for a simple program this thermostat needs. The NTC probe is powered by a stabilized voltage of plus 5 volt and is included in the resistor divider with R2. The sensor voltage goes to the analog input number 6 on pin 3. The output PA3 is connected via resistor divider R7 by R1 to the transistor T1 and its relay. The LED is powered from the plus 5 volt power supply of the processor via the resistor R4. The diode D1 protects the circuit against wrong connection of the 12 volt power supply via a stabilized AMS 1117, a voltage regulator of 5 volt, which is derived from 12 volt supply for the microcontroller and the LED and the sensor. Now, specification of the temperature module is as shown. The temperature control range is from -50 degree to 110 degree centigrade. Measurement accuracy is 0.1 degree centigrade. Input voltage is 12 volt DC, which is required. Refresh rate of the sensor is 0.5 seconds, that is half a second. Measurement inputs is NTCs, that is it is 10K. This resistor is 10K and 0.5% is variation. Output, one channel relay output at 240 degree AC, 12 volt DC. Relay current capacity maximum is 10 ampere. Current consumption in static state is less than 35 milliamps and max current state is less than 65 milliamps. Temperature stroke humidity of operation is -10 to 60 degree centigrade or 20 to 85 degree relative humidity. Dimensions of 48 mm into 40 mm by 14 mm. Now, programming various parameters. Now, for programming, it's very easy. After switching on the power supply, W1209 module immediately displays the actual temperature on its 7-segment display. Now, 3 push buttons allow for configuration of various parameters, including on and off trigger temperatures. The onboard relay can switch up to a maximum 240 volt AC at 5 amperes or 40 volt DC at 10 amperes. Setting the trigger temperature. Now, first thing we need to set is the trigger temperature at which the thermostat must come into action by switching the relay on or off. This goes as follows. Press and release the set button and display will blink. Increase or decrease the reading per 0.1 degree centigrade with the plus and minus buttons. Confirm the setting by pressing set. Now, programming the thermostat. The thermostat has 7 parameters numbered from P0 to P6, which we can set. Programming these parameters very easy in 5 steps. First, press the set switch for more than 3 seconds and release the button again. Now we will see P0 appearing on display. With the 2 buttons plus and minus, we can scroll through the 7 parameters. We confirm the choice by pressing set. Change the parameters with plus and minus until the desired value appears on the display. Confirm the setting by pressing the set. Now P0 in heater or cooler. Now this parameter has only 2 settings, H or C. In first case, the thermostat works as a heater. This means the relay remains switched on until the actual temperature equals the trigger temperature. If you use the thermostat as cooler, the relay first switches on when the actual temperature equals the trigger value. Now P1, hysteresis. This parameter is used to insert threshold between switching on and off temperature of the relay. We can set this threshold between 0.1 degree centigrade and 30 degree centigrade. The operation of this parameter is shown in figure. Suppose we set Papa 0 to H. The trigger temperature is 22 degrees centigrade and hysteresis to 1 degree centigrade. The relay remains switched on until the ambient temperature has risen to 22 degrees centigrade. At this point, the relay switch opens and heating device will switch off. However, the room heats up even further to 23 degrees centigrade as a result of the residual heat in the device. A little later, the room starts to cool down again. The relay does not switch on again when the temperature has dropped to 22 degrees centigrade, but first at temperature of 21 degree centigrade. The hysteresis ensures that the relay and the equipment it controls do not switch on and off too often, which increases the service life. P2 upper limit. With P2 we can limit the maximum value of trigger temperature. We can increase this parameter to a maximum 110 degrees centigrade. It also acts as a safety feature that stops the user to set a higher triggering temperature. P3 lowest limit. This parameter defines the minimum value of the trigger temperature we can set. The limit is minus 50 degrees centigrade. It also acts as a safety feature that stops the user to set a low triggering temperature. P4 calibration factor. With this parameter we can set a correction factor between minus 7 degrees centigrade and 7 degree plus 7 degree centigrade, which is added to or subtracted from a measured temperature. If we have calibrated thermometer, we can use this parameter to calibrate the supplied sensor. This option is useful if we connect the sensor to W1209 with the long cable. Remember that measuring the temperature means measuring the resistance of the sensor, and that the sensor of the cable to the sensor is also measured. P5 delay on the switch on time. Set a time between 0 and 10 minutes between the reaching the trigger temperature and switching off the relay or switching on the relay. P6 high temperature alarm. This allows us to enter a temperature above which the relay will switch off. If measured temperature increases, then HHH also appears on the display. The device has a low consumption of 25 to 35 milliamps at rest, 50 to 75 milliamps when the relay is active. But we should be careful if the power supply voltage is lower than 10 volt, a relay is not activated, although the LED will be shining. We should also be aware that the PCB layout violates all common safety rules on high voltage side. No sufficient creeping distance is available. The PCB traces are way too small to actually handle 15 amperes current, and the screw terminals are not up to that task either. The pin configuration of W1209 temperature control switch it has got 1209 temperature controller switch. The table below explains the ports and function of each port. Pin type and description. Sensor input connector white, the temperature sensor connector. Sensor input connector white, that is temperature sensor connect. K0 is relay contact 1, K1 is relay contact 2, 12 volt input voltage and ground. Working with W1209 module. Connection to the load, sensor and supply voltage are as depicted. Now you can we can use the relay to directly switch the 230 volt AC supply voltage for electric heater or air conditioner. We can load the switch to an output of approximately 1000 watt. Another wiring connection is shown in the picture. Connect one wire of the bulb with one wire of the plug wire. The remaining wire of the plug second, that is connect with K1 W1209 module. Another remaining wire of the bulb connects with K0 as shown in the diagram. Now connect 12 volt pin of this module with positive terminal of 12 volt DC power supply, and then connect the ground pin of this module with negative terminal of 12 volt power supply. One more picture of connection diagram is shown here for connecting DC load with the independent power supply. Now we come to the point where hobbyists want to use a common power supply for module as well as running the load. The connection diagram is shown here. This is most commonly used in small projects made by students. Important points to note. Indicator LED off. The relay is switched off. Always indicate the relay is closed. Now LED on and shows LL in the sensor is open, showing HH is out of range. The thermostat will be forced to close the relay as high temperature protection. When the thermostat is powered off, long press plus or minus and we can restore it to factory settings. Now long press the set button to activate the menu. Now code description range default values are P0 is that is heater, that is cold or hot. Now P1 is backlash set from 0.1 to 15. Now P2 is upper limit, that is 110 degrees centigrade. Now P3 is lower limit minus 39. P4 is correction is 0.7. Now P5 is delay start time, that is 0 to 10 minutes. P6 high temperature alarm is 0 to 110. And long pressing plus or minus will reset all values to the default values of factory setting. Now default values of W1209 sensor module are as shown, and the ranges are also shown. Now coming to the application, alternatives for W1209 temperature control switch are XH-W1219 NTC thermistor temperature sensor module AM2305. Now, applications of W1209 temperature control switch are to control fan, heater, cooler wirelessly, preset or set point temperatures, central heaters, coolers, water heaters, refrigerators, data loggers using ST-Link programmer and TTL serial interface. Now the picture of these programmers are shown here, and I will be not covering data logging here, but will surely do so in future. With this we have come to the end. I hope this video is liked by you all and it has helped you in some way. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. I'll be uploading many more videos of basic electronics in future. Please watch them. Thank you.